In n-gram generator, users can search for n-grams and check their frequencies. First, specify your search term in Search Settings, Search Term. Then click Generate Table. The generated results are similar to those generated in Wordless Generator, except that the token column is replaced by the n-gram column, which lists n-grams instead of tokens. In Search Settings, you can set restrictions on the position of search terms within generated n-grams. And in Generation Settings, you can select the size range of n-grams to be generated. If you want to search for single tokens instead of multi-word n-grams, set n-gram size to from 1 to 1. If you want to search for skipgrams, which are n-grams consisting of inconsecutive sequences of tokens, check Allow Skipped Tokens and specify the maximum number of tokens allowed to be skipped within skipgrams. It is also possible to exhaustively generate all n-grams within a certain size range by using regular expression patterns as the search term. But it is not recommended to do so since the operation might be too computationally expensive. For other functionalities and options in n-gram generator, which are same as their counterparts in Wordless Generator, please watch the last episode of this tutorial.